Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to give an update on my portfolio. So it's been a little bit since I've seen any real action in my portfolio. It's been hovering around the $50,000 mark for a while, but today we finally see some action. So right now my portfolio is worth $53,004.48. Today, as you can see here, I'm up $1,404.94. That's a 2.71% gain. After hours, it went down about 0.32%, but still, I'm up for the day. As you can see here, it was going up throughout the day, and then around 12:30, it had like a pretty big spike upwards. So I have a bunch of positions in my portfolio now. For my stocks, I only have 4 names here. I've got 2,000 shares of GSAH. I got 1,700 shares of IPOF, 700 shares of IPOD, and 100 shares of CPNG. So GSAH, this jumped up a bit recently. As you can see here, it was mostly flat, and then when was this? April 6th, around 10:20, 10:30. As you can see here, it jumped up quite a bit. So yeah, that jumped up recently. Same thing with my other stocks, IPOF. As you can see today, it was flat, and then around 12:35, jumped up. IPOD also. IPOD traded a little bit, went up and up, and then around same time, around the 12:30, had a jump up. So yeah, finally we see some action from the SPACs that I'm investing in. A lot of them around 12:30, I guess, had a pretty big jump up. Hopefully we see more positive green action from these stocks that I own. CPNG has been doing okay. It's around 45 right now, which is fine because I do have a $45 strike price covered call. So I'll be happy either way. So I'm just going to name all the positions quickly here. I'm selling a covered call on CPNG. $45 strike price, expiring 4/16. GSAH, $15 call. I'm selling 18 of those, expiring 4/16. I'm selling the $12.50 put, expiring 4/16. The GSAH $12.50 covered call, expiring on the 16th also. IPOD, the $15 call, I'm selling those, expiring on the 16th. IPOF, selling the $20 call, expiring 4/16. As you can see, I have a bunch of positions expiring on the 16th. That's next Friday, I believe. So yeah, these are all going to end soon, and we'll see what happens with them. IPOF, I'm selling a $20 call, expiring 5/21. So this is a month later. And then I have a bunch of spreads here. I did add a new spread, a firm. But let's go through them. IPOD, 7.5, $10 call debit spread. So I'm basically betting that IPOD will be above $10, expiring October 15th. A firm, 45.50 call debit spread. I'm making a bet that a firm will stay above $50 a share. This expires November 19th. BABA, 210, 220 call debit spread. I'm betting that Alibaba will stay above 220 on November 19th. Another Alibaba spread. This is the $195, $200 call debit spread. So I'm betting that Alibaba will be above $200 a share November 19th. And lastly, IPOF, 7.5, $10 call debit spread, expiring in December. I might add more to this. Since it's only at 105 right now, and the max profit is 250, That's like multiplied by 2.5 if I get it right. Hopefully IPOF really does stay above $10. Because I do have 16 of these debit spreads right here. But yeah, that's my entire portfolio. Mostly investing in SPACs. I invested in a firm because right now it's around 70. It's gone down quite a bit. It had a high of like 139, 140. And it's gone down quite a bit since then. From 140, it basically got halved to 70. And I personally, I use a firm, so I like investing in stocks that I personally use in my life. And a firm is one of those. Like, I'm borrowing money to pay for things like, for example, my computer. I actually, bought my computer through a firm, and I'm making payments to pay that off. And I also bought my phone, my Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. No, not S20 Plus. I think it's S20 Ultra or something like that. I don't know. But I bought my phone. It was worth like $1,500, and I bought it through a firm also. So yeah, it's a platform for digital and mobile first commerce. It offers integrated checkout, virtual card, split pay, a firm app and marketplace, and savings accounts. So yeah, I think it's a really good, useful service. So that's why I'm investing in it in a spread. Hopefully it does stay above $50 a share. That's what I'm betting on. Everything else is pretty much just SPACs and Alibaba. But yeah, hopefully SPACs do make a comeback. Right now they're hovering around the $11 mark. I would like to see at least $15, preferably $20 sometime if they announce something. Right now they're still pre-announcement. None of them have said who they're doing a deal with. So right now they're still just mounds of money, basically. So I'm still just waiting to see what happens with these SPACs. So far I'm okay with the performance. I'm happy, especially today. It jumped up quite a bit. So yeah, I'm just going to hold on and wait for the SPACs to deliver something, give us some kind of news on who they're doing a deal with. But yeah, until then, I'm just going to stay patient, wait for time to pass, and see what happens. All right, that's it for my portfolio, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.